Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to build a contact manager application in jQuery. It's a very simple application. If you enter your name and your phone number, so when you submit, it will display at the bottom of that form with your name and the phone number, and also it will clear the form. So let me show you how I was did this. And this is small HTML file, and having a form. I have given a class form submit, the form tag, and we're having a two fields. One is the name, and another one is phone number, and also we have a button called submit. So after submit, we need to display our results in somewhere, right? So we have a one more div, list details with the UL tag. So here we'll append all list tags. Here we have a JavaScript. I was imported jQuery, and this is our script. So once you submit on the form, when you submit on the form, we're just taking the first name and the last name values. So event dot current target of 0 value, and event dot current target of 1 that value. You can also define classes for here, and you can also import, you can also take values based on the class. So once you take it, so we have, it will store the variables of name input form into first name, and phone number input text field value in the form. So those all details we are just we using appending jQuery append a method that we used to append to list detail class, so with the li tag. So I'm just adding first name and iPhone and the phone number 4. So this is, I'm refreshing it again. You just add a name and phone number. If you submit it, so the list tag is appending to UL tag. So after appending, I'm just formatting, I'm making those two input values, name and phone number, making empty. So if you see it, after entering, so these two are become empty, right? So this line will do that. We're taking the closest tag form and making input type text. So these both are type text only, right? Input type text, making value empty. That's it. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.